You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these two verbs. They do look very similar, but they have a very different meaning. So the top word comes from the verb to hope, having expectations, to wish for something to happen. Hoping is how it's said, so 1p is hoping. The bottom verb comes from the verb to hop, meaning to jump like a rabbit or a kangaroo. So the bottom word is said as hopping, 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 or hoping. So you have a h sound for the bottom verb and a o sound for the top word. Hoping, top word 1p, hopping, bottom word. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.